Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter My Files app, allow, and as you can see right here, you can browse your storage on the smartphone thanks to categories like images, videos, audio files, documents, download, application files. Next you can go to your internal storage to browse every folder your smartphone has. Next you can go to OneDrive, Google Drive, Network Storage, Recycle Bin and Analyze Storage. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.